If you're selling globally, you're already an international business. But payments will remain a challenge unless you implement a good international payment gateway. Simplistically speaking, an international payment gateway is a payment infrastructure that allows Indian merchants to accept payments from foreign customers in their local currencies like dollars, euros, pounds, yen, and more. But how do you identify the best international payment gateway? If you're looking for the best payment gateway in India to accept international payments, here are a few factors to check for. Range of accepted currencies, range of accepted card networks, ease of integration between your website and the payment gateway, compliance with the RBI guidelines, generation of FIRC, fast settlements of international currencies into INR, competitive per transaction cost. Now, we understand that these are quite a handful of things to think about, especially when you are completely occupied with growing your business. We recommend getting onboarded with an RBI licensed international payment gateway, like CashFree, which has been in the industry for over 10 years. CashFree also provides you with best-in-class advanced features like dynamic currency conversion, multi-currency conversion, and detailed analytics on international transactions, helping Indian businesses to enhance their conversion rate. With CashFree, your international customers can pay you easily using their preferred cards and currencies. And behind the scenes, everything just works. Your payments get settled in INR, your export paperwork stays sorted with automated FIRCs, and your business stays fully compliant because CashFree is PACB authorized by the RBI to handle cross-border payments. No messy workarounds, no compliance anxiety, just a smooth, secure way to grow globally from right here in India. So if you're serious about international sales, it's not just about going global, it's about doing it right. And that's exactly what CashFree helps you do. Onboarding with CashFree is simple and fast. You can find the link in the description. Sign up now.